Okay, so this one we got three different quadratic formulas up here. I have this one, and this one, and we just want to figure out how many quadratic solutions, or how many solutions are there to these three different quadratics. So we're going to be using this discriminant in each of these. Okay, and if it's positive, the discriminant is positive, it turns out to be positive when we plug the values in, there's two solutions. If it's negative, there's no solutions, or real ones, and if it's zero, there's one real solution. So first, in each of these situations, we need to identify the A, the B, and the C. Let's do it in different colors. Let's do A, let's do B, and then let's do C. Okay, so we can identify the A in all these. Here the A is 2, here the A is also 2, and here the A is, oh, that was easy. Okay, so we got those identified. Here the B is equal to 4 because it's right there. The B is connected to the X, so this one's 4, 2. This one's 4, 2. Oh, these are very similar. All of these are very similar. So really the only thing that differs in this situation is the C. Hopefully. This one's 3, this one's 2, and this one is 1. From the C's right there. Okay, so now that we know what the A, the B, and the C are, we're going to plug it into our equations. So we got B squared, we're going to plug in the discriminant, and we're going to figure out what we get. We got B squared minus 4AC. So I got 4 squared minus 4 times 2 times 3. So 4 squared is 16, minus 4 times 2 is 8, times 3 is 24. This is equal to negative 8. This is negative. So 0 solutions. And if you were to graph this, it would kind of look something like this. These are some examples of graphs. It would look like this. Didn't cross over the x-axis, or maybe like this. See how it didn't cross over there? Never crossed over the x-axis. That's what you're looking for. Does it never cross over the x-axis? No, it didn't. So therefore, there would be no solutions. Okay. Let's try this other one over here. Okay, so we got B squared, so 4 squared minus 4 times 2 times 2. So in this situation, I got 4 squared, which is 16 minus 16. That's equal to 0. So it is, this one's 0. So 1 solution. We know there's 1 solution. So examples of this, remember 1 solution, it will kind of come down and we'll pop, hit it and come back up. There's 1 solution right there. Or maybe 1 solution like this. Pop. Right there. Make sure you make the pop noise. My son's working on the pop noise right now. He goes pop, but he goes pop. There's another one right there. So those are 1 real solution situations right there. Okay. And let's figure out what this last one is. How many solutions we're going to have. Maybe you're smart and you've already figured it out because of elimination. But yeah, I put 1 of each example in here. So we got B squared, which is 4 squared minus 4 times 2 times 1. I got 16 minus 4 times 2, which is 8, which is equal to 8. This is positive. Discriminant is positive, in other words. Therefore, there are 2 solutions. So if you were to graph this something like this, it would look something, kind of like this. It would hit at 2 spots right there and there. Those are your 2 solutions. Or it might look like this. Yeah, right there and there. Those are your 2 solutions. Or maybe it's over here. Okay, 2 solutions in this situation. So it's going to cross over the x-axis at 2 points. And so that's how you can use the discriminant. Just this part of the quadratic formula to figure out if there's a 0, 1, or 2 solutions.